In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com for building and editing your Wix website. We'll explore essential actions within the Wix platform to enhance your web building experience, ensuring your site is both functional and visually appealing across all devices. First things first, head over to wix.com and log into your account. This step is crucial because it grants access to all your saved sites and the editing features you'll need. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard here. You want to click on Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. This is where all the magic happens in terms of designing and customizing your site. Next, familiarize yourself with switching between desktop, tablet, and mobile views, which you'll find on the top toolbar. This feature allows you to preview how your site will appear on different devices and screen sizes. A well-responsive design ensures that your visitors have a seamless experience, no matter what device they are using. Now let's dive into customizing specific elements on your page. Simply select an element or section you wish to adjust. This could be anything from an image, text box, button, or even a container. When you click on the element, it's time to bring up the Inspector panel located on the right side. This panel is where you fine-tune the specific settings and designs of your element. Within the Inspector panel, you'll discover the responsive behavior settings. These are crucial for ensuring your design adapts smoothly across different devices. Here you have options like scale, which allows elements to resize proportionally. Docking keeps elements fixed to certain edges, such as a button staying in the bottom right corner even when the screen size changes. You'll also see options like grow, shrink, and stacking, which help manage the layout and spacing as the screen dimension shifts. To further elevate your layout design, consider using Flex and Grids. Grids allow you to create precise, responsive layouts with customizable rows and columns. Flexbox containers automatically rearrange elements, offering greater flexibility, especially useful for maintaining fluid layouts. For instance, a three-column layout on a desktop might neatly collapse into a single column on a mobile device for easy viewing. Wix also offers an option to adjust breakpoints. This means you can edit specific layouts for desktop, tablet, and mobile views distinctly. By dragging elements and resizing text at these breakpoints, you ensure that your changes are targeted and do not unintentionally affect the overall design for other device perspectives. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, click on Preview to test the responsive behaviors in a live setting. Resizing your browser window is a quick way to observe how your design adapts. Make any further changes needed to achieve the perfect fit across all devices. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks and functions, hit Publish to make your changes live on your website. And there you have it. You're all done. Enjoy a seamless experience managing and editing your Wix site.